Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is stuffed squids. So let's begin. Here I have taken some 10 to 15 squids. I've cleaned them well, and these are the tentacles and the fins of the squids. This we can use for the stuffing. So what I have done is I have cut them fine so that it cooks well. I have taken a pressure cooker and I've added some salt and some water. I'm pre-cooking it to save time actually, and it cooks well, really well in the pressure cooker. It will cook within like 5 to 6 whistles. Now let's start preparing for the stuffing. Here I've taken a pan, added some oil and finely chopped onions. Saute the onions nicely, add the Racheado Masala to it and fry the Racheado Masala very well. Now you can add the cooked tentacles and the fins of the squids. Mix it well and allow it to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Since it is already cooked, so we do not need to cook it more. I've added salt and little sugar. Mix it well. It's ready now. Let's move to the next step. Let's begin the stuffing. Here I have just taken the squid, opened the mouth of the squid and just filled the stuffing in it. I'm almost ready. It's done. Now I have taken a pressure cooker, added some oil, onions, and the Racheado Masala. Now this will help us to make a thick gravy for it. Apply the Racheado Masala till the oil is separated and place the squids evenly. Once it is placed, I have just added the water in the same bowl of the masala and added some salt and some sugar. Now sugar is as per each one's taste, and I have given it a good shake. Now I'll cook it for 7 to 8 whistles. Let's check on the squids. They are cooked well, but if you like a thick gravy, then you can cook it for some more time. Now let's serve it. I'm beginning with the plating. You can enjoy the squids with rice or bread or even chapati, but for chapati you will have to slightly thicken the gravy. Hope you like the recipe. Do try it. Thanks for watching.